Wait.
Oh, he was telling me he went to Mexico and shit.
So wait, he left his car here?
Yeah, he doesn't have tags. He's gonna get food.
And I used to come out here, dude, when I was a teenager with this fucking, I think, programa hispano and shit. Fucking like, it's fucking. What's this fuck though? Like, yeah,
What do we say?
Thank you.
Gracias. Oh, it's a little broken, huh?
Eh, it still holds.
It still holds.
I'll go last because I'm heavier.
Oh my God.
Se quebra conmigo, al menos ya fueron ustedes.
You want to be cameraman? Camerawoman?
Oh, I should have gotten the fucking gloves. I'll be creeping. This is at 18%, by the way. No! Is there a jump off? No. Is it a drop off right there?
Yeah, that is a drop off.
Oh yeah, I ain't trying to die. The way my fucking healthcare deductible works.
Just use it right here like this, like as a chair. And just don't pull it apart.
I want to see how dangerous it is. You know what? Here, take the camera.
I like how they just left it here though.
Well, because it was broken.
But like they can throw it away, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, who's gonna pick it up after them, you know what I mean? You? Yeah, that's what I said. Gotta find a spot.
What is that in the middle?
That's a funny. That's a creek, yeah, that's a creek.
Yeah, don't fall off right there.
Yeah, did you see that?
You want more down that way?
It's up to you. It's up to y'all.
That's a deep ass hole. We'll go down there.
I'm not trying to go like even 10 feet.
Do it. Alright, remember, if you see trash, take it with you.
No, let me get my backpack.
Where's my...
Here. You wanna hold that?
You're gonna get what backpack?
Yeah, let's grab our bags.
Have like brakes on the sides.
Do you want one?
That's cool. Fine.
Did you drink?
Oh yeah.
We can take turns.
Who's first? I already went.
Your hands, okay?
Oh, on the gloves, the little
Yeah.
guantes.
We'll take turns. Once you're about to get hypothermia, let me know.
Well, don't hit the street. Jump off before we hit the street.
Wait, hold it, dude. Go. Alright, someone push me. Oh, fuck. We gotta pick up the trash too. We gotta pick up this trash. It's just, oh, perfect, go.
Yeah.
No, I already went. No?
You go. Should I?
No, that's a broken rib right there. That's a broken rib. Walk away, sir. Walk away. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, but let's return it.
Let's walk up there.
Como están aquí, let's return it. Honestly, I feel bad. Just
That's theirs?
let's just give it back.
Yeah,
I mean, we gotta
give it back.
run, you know.
Yeah, let's give it back to me. Did you give it to her?
Here you go.
This way? Let me know.
Okay. Ready?
Go.
3, 2, 1.
I mean, you know what I mean? Let's not. We already got what we wanted, you know. But let's look for trash.
Oh.
Thank you for letting us borrow it.
Yeah, we're done. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
¿Tipo ayuda? No, está bien. Okay. Buen día.
Gracias. All right, but we should whoa. Hey. It's not even that cold, low key. Who wants to carry the trash bag? I'll carry it. Fuck it. Hey, if you see trash, give it to me. I got gloves. We washed the gloves.
Attention to your surroundings, fool.
What happened?
Oh, you too. Fucking sweat right there. Yo, go this way. It's like.
Oh yeah, that was nice.
Really good wake up.
A little good back crack.
Oh, no way.
Yo, be careful with the rocks. Yo, holy shit.
Oh my god. Que le vaya por
Yo.
He's fine, he's fine.
Let's go.
I don't be winning.
Right? I see nothing.
Pick up trash.
Yo, I'm telling you, be careful over there. That's a fucking dried, not a dried, but a fucking, it's like a little lake.
It's frozen now, Javi.
Man, there's fucking rocks there, dude. It's not
Are you
frozen.
here to watch it?
It's not frozen on the way either.
We're really gonna get some good karma. We're picking up trash.
I mean, haven't we already gotten good karma?
Yeah.
Dude, that is fucking sick, honestly.
What?
Camp out here in the forest, dude.
At night?
Would it turn into nighttime? Will we see a kicking it? Got a bottle or two. My homies here. My homies here. What else you want? Maybe some sled. Next time.
Quarter pipe.
Right? Fuck yeah, dude. Like this, boom, ollie over, or ollie over the tree, go over the tree. We going, he's walking the edge over here. The fine line.
Give me a tour. Where are we at, Ozzy?
We're in the middle of this glacier and that glacier. We're out here. In the peak. Damn.
Hold on, I need to pick up this trash.
Backside. Boom, over the fucking tree. Imagine like back your ass.
Let's go. Let's go back the other way now.
Import tobacco from other countries, but it's been harder to get it. It's like 7 times stronger.
Oh yeah, dude.